Hey, how's it going? My name is Wes. Welcome back to another lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to go over the second part of our blue vocabulary lesson of the numbers. So in the previous lesson, we learned the numbers 1 to 10 and the ordinal numbers first, second, third, and last. And in today's lesson, we will build a bit upon that and we will learn the numbers 11 to 25. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into this second part of the numbers, which consists of 5 parts in total. Alright, so let's pick it up where we left it last time, which is at number 11, which in Spanish is
once. Once.
Again, if I'm going a bit too fast, simply hit pause, take your notes, and then press play once you're ready again. 12 in Spanish is
Doce. Doce.
and then 13 is
Trece. Trece.
11, 12, 13. So it's always this C in the middle. And then 14 is
Catorce. Catorce.
14. But there's a lot of C sounds in the numbers 11 to 14. And also for the number 15 this is the case, which is
Quince. Quince.
and then we come to 16. And from 16 onwards it actually becomes pretty easy because we already know the numbers 1 to 10. So 16 in Spanish is
16. 16.
Now, 10 comes from 10, which we learned before. 10 is 10 in Spanish. And 6 is 6 in Spanish. So pretty much what you're saying is 10, 10, y, which means and, 6. So 10 and 6.
16.
And the 10, if you write 10, is normally written with a Z. However, here it changes into a C. So 16, 16. And then you can probably already guess what 17 is, which is
17. 17.
which is 10 and 7. And then 18 is
18. 18.
and 19 is
19. 19.
and then we come to 20, which in Spanish is
20. 20.
and then from 20 onwards it actually becomes just as easy as from 16 onwards. So pretty much we use that same trick of just adding the number at the end. So we say 20 and 1.
21. 21.
And then
22. 22.
for 22 and 23.
23. 23. 24. 24.
for 24 and 25.
25. 25.
And that's actually the last number we will learn in today's lesson, 25. And actually these numbers, the numbers 0 to 25, are the most difficult to learn in Spanish. But once you learn these numbers, it actually becomes pretty easy to learn the other numbers as well. And that's actually also the reason why the numbers part 1 and 2 are included in these first 25 lessons. And we will not dive further into the numbers until a later lesson, after maybe lesson number 50 or something. Because right now, because we're really focused on the basics of the language still, I don't want to have you go through all of the numbers, such as 2,500 and so forth. Because right now we don't really need that. So I'd rather focus our attention and energy on other things that are more important to learn. Alright, and that's pretty much it for this lesson already. This was a relatively quick lesson, I think. Please make sure to take the time and study these words that we've learned in today's lesson. Again, you can do so by using the technique that works best for you. For me personally, that is using flashcards. And as always, you can also find all of the information to this lesson and any other lesson we have gone over on my website, SpanishWithWes.com. Link is in the description. Alright, that's it for this lesson. I hope that it was helpful. I hope you got something out of this. As always, goodbye, hasta luego, adios, nos vemos, however you want to call it. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.